everyone, we're going to sketch the curve whose parametric equations are given, show the orientation, and find the Cartesian equation of the curve. So we're just going to sketch the curve, and looking at what we have, if we have our theta is negative pi, that means for my x, I'm going to get sine of negative pi divided by 2, which equals negative 1. Cosine of negative pi divided by 2 is 0. So we're starting here. Now we could also do more values, but I think we can get the general sketch of it just using these three. At 0, we know that sine is going to be 0, and cosine of 0 is 1. And then at pi, we're going to have the same thing, but our x is going to be 1, and our y is going to be 0. So basically, this is how the curve goes, like this. It's a semicircle that looks like that. Now notice that for when it's going like that. So for when our theta is in between negative pi and 0, we have negative 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 0. All right, and our y is 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 1. All right, and then for our theta in between 0 and pi, then we have for our x, x is in between 0 and 1, but it's equals 0 here, but it's not equal 0 there. And then for y, we have y is greater than or equal to 0, but less than 1. So this is good to know here. Now let's write our Cartesian equation of the curve. Since we have sine and cosine, let's note that x squared plus y squared is going to equal 1. Or you can note that sine squared plus theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. So all we have to do is substitute this in, and we're going to get sine squared, and then we have 1/2 of theta. This is like your x part, plus cosine squared of 1/2 of theta equals 1. So that's your equation there, and the graph is a semicircle. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.